Hello, this is Mike from Geopogo. In this video, we are going to show you how to download and install the Geopogo Claude-to-Revit plugin. Let's get started. On the Geopogo website, you are welcome to purchase the Geopogo Claude-to-Revit plugin. You can choose from a number of different license types, from a personal license, a professional commercial license, an educational license if you attend a school or university, and studio licenses for 5 and 10 seats. And so we can go here and we're going to purchase the professional license. If you have a discount code from us, you can go ahead and enter that code and hit buy now and click complete order. Confirm your contact information and the email that you want Claude-to-Revit to be sent to. So I'm going to go here and complete my order. Once completed, you will be automatically given the latest installer to download. And so we're going to go ahead and click on that. You can also check your email at any time, and you can receive the email that has the installer. Check your email or your spam folder. And you can also download the installer here as well on the new main page. Make sure to copy your activation key. You can also click on your account settings, and you can retrieve your activation key and the latest download installer at any time. So let's go ahead here. We're going to click on the installer. I'm going to right click the installer and click Run as Administrator. Click Yes, and then begin your installation process. You can read through our agreement. Click Next. You can install our different integrations. Of course, the main one being the Claude desktop integration, the cursor integration, and the ChatGPT desktop integration. Now note, for ChatGPT, we are in the process of fixing a few final bugs, but we do anticipate it to be live within the next month or two. Click Next and click Install. If it tells you that it needs to close these applications, you can click Automatically Close the applications. If you do have Revit open, you must close Revit completely for the installation to fully go through. And click Next. And you'll see here that the installation is complete. Remember that the plugin works for Autodesk Revit 2025, 2026, and 2027. Please note that it does not work for Revit LT. And once complete, we're going to hit Finish. We can now go ahead and we're going to open Revit. So in this case, I'm going to open Revit 2026. Once Revit is opened, you will see here that we need to click Always Allowed for the plugin to load. And so I do recommend you click Always Load. And once you have the plugin installed and Revit open, you're going to copy your activation key, click on Revit and the plugin, and just copy and paste your license key directly into here and click Activate. And then we can go in, click New for a brand new project. And then we can click on the Geopogo AI tab at the top. And then we're going to click Connect to Claude. And so we can see here now that it has gone and put in this desktop configuration JSON file directly into your Claude installation. Note that you do need Claude Desktop downloaded and installed on your computer. It is ideal that you have Cowork enabled and you have Claude fully closed and quit for this installation process. Now we're going to open Claude. And so you can see here, I have to click close. I'm going to go down here, right click over the Claude icon, and I'm going to hit quit. I'm going to click back in here, open Claude. And then clicking the Windows and right arrow, I can then click on Claude, and now my screen is split and both applications are now ready to work together. And there you go. Now you can open a new project or an existing project and you can get directly to work. In the next video, we will walk through different use cases, different applications, and different things that you can get Claude to do. Enjoy.